Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana Hobby Guy. And I know you looked at the thumbnail for this video and said, wait, did he say Quickie and hooker in the same picture? Yes, I did. And this one is going to be a Quickie, and I know you've never heard that in my vocabulary before, but I do an ongoing order for a local marina for tumblers, and I replenish them every Monday. And this is the favorite logo right here, is Weekend Hooker. So yeah, I said it. And this week after I did the normal run, I did one for one of the workers there named Tom. So that's why you see the word Tom over here up in the top. But, you know, everybody asks me, how do you make such professional looking graphics? It's just a matter of practice with Lightburn. Lightburn can do anything that you need it to do. It doesn't matter what it is. We're going to redo this whole graphic here, do it from scratch in just a couple of minutes. And you'll be able to do this yourself after watching this video. It's just so simple. And also stick around till the end, because I've got a special bonus at the end. You can get this entire file for free, as well as a special coupon code for my YouTube viewers over at my DXF store, my online graphic store. So let's get started. Let's get rid of all this. Let's get rid of all this, and we'll come over here in my art library, and I'm going to double click the fish to bring them out. So there's our fish, and this is how we get started. And if you don't have an art library with graphics, I've got a lot of them available on my forums for free, where you can go over there and log in, and you'll see a members download area. And I'll put a link down below in the description to my forums website, as well as my DXF store. So let's keep going. So now we have our graphic. All we did was double click it from our art library. And what I'm going to do now is just get some text, and I'm going to type weekend. And I'm going to highlight that by hitting the arrow key up here. I'm going to click in the middle and drag it up to where it looks about right. Right about there looks good. And then what I'm going to do, just to make sure, is I'm going to align these up vertically. So this little vertical icon here, I'm going to click on that and do vertical centers. Now we know that it's perfectly centered. And this is going to be a very quick video, folks. You're going to love it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to come over here on the left to offset. I'm going to offset shapes, and that distance is perfect, 0.0787. Round edges outward. Okay. Now let's just see what it looks like, and it looks pretty good. We're just going to bring it now. You see that little white space right there. So I'm just going to hold down my control key and just move it down just a hair, like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the fish graphic with my shift key held down so that I select everything. This was already selected. I pressed shift and clicked on the fish. I'm going to come over here to weld. I'm going to weld these together. And just like that, we've got weekend. Next thing I'm going to do is come out here. I'm going to click somewhere in the middle and type the word hooker. And we're going to just do the same process. We're going to bring this up to about there. We're going to click on this guy right here. We're going to come up to the align vertical center, and that puts it directly in the center. Click off of it. Click on the word hooker. Come over to offset shapes, and the same offset is perfect. We say OK, and there's just a hair of a white line there, so I'm going to move it down just a little bit, and there we go. So now with it selected, I'm also going to select the entire graphic again. And I'm going to come back and weld it one more time. And there we go. And that's just how simple it is. This is a really easy graphic. Any graphic is easy, really, when you think about it. And then if you wanted to personalize it, you could come up here and do something like I had before, like Tom, for instance, or any name. It doesn't matter what it is. And then you can turn it, grab it by the center, bring it over here to the edge so that you get a good idea of how to turn it so that it's pretty perfect like that. And you see this little blue dot right here? I know it's hard to see, but it's right there. See that dot? I'm just going to take and grab that dot just a little bit like so and do Tom like that, just to round it off, make it look a little bit better. I didn't do this on the other one. I guess I should have. And we'll go just a little. It's very touchy when you do this. So it's hard to get it exactly where, and that looks perfect right there. And then I'm just going to do the offset shapes one more time. And I'm just going to say OK, because we know that it's perfect. There's a little bit of white right there. So I'm going to hold my control, just move it up a tiny little bit like so that white disappears. Then I'm going to press shift, click the graphic, and I'm going to weld it. And there we have it. That's it, the completed graphic. Now I told you this was going to be a quickie, didn't I? We're gonna do the quickie with the hooker. And you know what? This is a beautiful design for anything. If you're going to burn it on wood, tumbler, doesn't matter what it is. So now, like I said earlier, you've stuck around to the end. This is my online store. This particular Lightburn file will be available in this store for free. It's engraveandcutfiles.com. Again, there'll be a link below in the description. And all you have to do is come over here and take a look around. And when you come here later, it'll probably be this first file right here. There are literally thousands of graphics on this website. And you'll see some of them are $3.99, $5.99, $5. It's all different prices. But there's also a lot of freebies. So you see here I have 7 pages of different files. If we come down here below, you'll see that $0, $0, $0. All of these are free. And I have waste grids. I have all types of laser files on here that you can get for free as well. So my graphics are reasonably priced. Right now, through the end of the year, there's a coupon code. 25 off is the coupon code until the end of 2021 to get 25% off your entire purchase. But if you use the coupon code YouTube, and I'll have that below in the description, that's going to be good until October 31st. And that coupon code YouTube is going to get you 50% off. So for my YouTube viewers, you're going to get 50% off. Now this file is also going to be available on my hobby website, my forums. And it'll be in the members only files and downloads. The only difference here is that if you're not a member, you won't see this section that says members only files and downloads. So if you'd like, you can come over here to my hobby forum, sign up for an account, and you can take advantage of all of the members only files and downloads here as well. Lightburn art downloads. I have cut and engrave settings. I have the weekend hooker, which is the one you're looking at now. Fonts, all types of things that you can download for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I promised you that it was going to be a quickie, and it was, which is something I have a very hard time doing. But this one is just so easy, and it gives you such professional results that I felt the need to share it with you. And I think I'm going to do a few quickie videos in the near future just to keep this going, because I think people like to get in and out quickly. And I think that's what I did today. I think I accomplished my goal. So, as always, I thank you for watching. Have a great day.